Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I would like to guide you for footing design, especially for 3-story residential building. If you want to build your house and you don't know what should be the size of footing, depth of footing, inside steel reinforcement, and also some related knowledge for RCC column. So watch this video till the end to know about new information related to this topic. Guys, you can see if you are a civil engineering student, so you should remember these points which I'm discussing in front of you in this short video. Let's get started, guys. Assume that soil bearing capacity SBC is 150 kilonewton per meter square, or you can say 3000 PSF, right? This is soil bearing capacity. You can increase it up to 150. So if that is 120, 130, so maximum 150 kilonewton per meter square. This is the bearing capacity of the soil. Normal load bearing wall or column is there, right? Use M20 grade concrete, which ratio is 1:1:2. This is M20 grade concrete. And the steel is Fe 500 and no basement, including for especially for this 3-story. Okay. Next, the footing thickness. Use 150 to 300 millimeter for plain cement concrete before starting steel reinforcement. So this is 150, or you can say 6 to 12 inches concrete cover, plain cement concrete, okay, before starting steel reinforcement. Next, size of footing. What should be the size of footing? So remember, from 1.5 by 1.5, so this is like square footing. So use 1.5 by 1.5 meter or 2 by 2 meter, maximum 2 by 2, and normal 1.5 by 1.5 meter, and the depth from 1.2 meter to 1.5 meter. Okay, remember this is the depth of the footing. Next, let me guide you for reinforcement. Main bars, which we are placing here like this, main bars and footing. So the main bars, bottom bars, 12 millimeter die of steel rod, 150 millimeter center to center spacing for both ways, guys. You can see for main bars and also for distribution bars, you can say. Top bars optional for 3-story, are not always needed. Okay, so this is optional. So if you are using, so it's up to you, but I am recommending you, if you are going more than 3 stories, so the top bar should be placed, especially for this. And also it's depend on the structure load, but this is not always needed, right? So if you required, so 10 millimeter diameter with 200 millimeter center to center distance. Okay, this is called W mesh, same like this, guys. You can see these are bottom bar and these are top bars if required. So the spacing should be maximum, and also the diameter should be less than bottom bars. Next, concrete cover should be used 50 millimeter for bottom, top and sides. Next, guys, you can see the column. So remember, guys, here use 8 bars or more longitudinal bars from 12 to 16 millimeter. You can use, okay, and it's depend on the design. Before starting the design of the column, you should check the bearing capacity of soil, etc. Again, so checking is very important, especially in this case, and also the structure load, span of the beam, and also the size of the column. It's depend on all these things. Next, guys, lapping minimum 50 D, where D is die of steel rod. Suppose we are using 16 millimeter bar, so you can get 800 millimeter overlapping length. So let me guide you for the pro tips. So always compact the soil under footing before starting RCC footing. Use anti-termite treatment before PCC. Okay, guys, you can see. So the termite, you have different chemicals, especially for this treatment. Okay, termite is very important before starting the footing, because if there is so we have a lot of problems inside the moisture and etc. So in next video I will guide you properly, especially for this termite, right? So here the last one is keep proper curing for 7 to 14 days minimum. Okay, from 7 to 14 days minimum, proper curing is very important for RCC column. So guys, this is a short video but very important for you people about footing, for footing 3-story, and these are some data you can see, and this is thickness. Next one, size of the footing, and the other one, the column details, reinforcement. Also you can see the lapping details and some pro tips. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.